Welcome. Do you know that we all have an inner guide or spirit guide with us, and this guide can help you heal yourself? Do you want to heal yourself? You can use the spirit guide to heal yourself emotionally and physically also. My friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I am conducting my live training program since 1977. Trained more than 500,000 people all over the world. I conduct a lot of different kind of workshop. Now this is a very powerful workshop using spirit guides for healing yourself. I am conducting a 10-day WhatsApp workshop where you will learn what spirit guides are, how it feel like, how you can contact the spirit guide, or if you are not aware of it, how you can create and invite a spirit guide, and then heal yourself. Physical healing, emotional healing, and then spirit guide can help you heal physical problem, mental problem, plus it can also help you heal your childhood memories, because whatever we have a problem now, many of the problems, especially emotional problems, can be because of your early childhood. So you can learn how you can use your spirit guide to heal yourself from your childhood memories. Plus you will learn two more very powerful techniques using imagery for healing and feel the power of healing inside you. Now this is a complete 10-day course, a video plus audio. You will be guided. There will be very powerful 5 guided meditations will be there. Let me tell you which are the things you are going to learn here. Meditation, meeting an inner guide, spirit guide for healing, using childhood memories for healing, feeling healing energy inside you, and then using specific images to heal yourself. Imagery is a very, very powerful tool, so you can combine all, and when you start using this technique, your guide can help you not only for healing, it can help you for a lot of different areas in your life. Whenever you are in doubt, you can meet your guide, ask the question and get the answers. Now this is a simple but very powerful course on WhatsApp. Every day you will get a lessons, first day at 9 p.m. and after that every day between 5 to 6 p.m. and you will have a lifetime access to this course. At the end of the course, we will send you a Google Drive link so that you can download the complete course and use it in the future and repeat the exercises number of times to get really master those techniques. And it's a certificate course. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate, plus you get a lifetime access. Now, because it is a WhatsApp course, you can do it at your convenient time, anytime. The lessons will come in the WhatsApp group, so you can do it anytime you want. You don't need to be at the time present. It will be in the WhatsApp group. You can watch and listen and do this course anytime you want, whenever you feel time. So you'll get a lifetime access, and the course, because you're doing it from home, you don't need to come to Hyderabad to attend this workshop or anything. You have to just do it, and the course fee, it is 900 plus GST, that comes to 1062 only. And this course may not happen again. So if you're really interested to heal yourself, know the power of your spirit guide, this is a course for you. Register right now. Now if you want to use a credit card, use the Raise Pay button there. You can make the credit card and then send us the screenshot on the number given below so that we can put you in the main group. So my friend, if you really want to heal yourself, use the power of spirit guide to heal yourself and take advantage of spirit guides to get many of your problems solved. This is a course for you. So register right now. Thank you very much.